Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. Outside the car you've got a black roof, there's full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, you get automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control and a smartphone charging plate. So let's have a look around. Really is packed full of some great safety features. You get blind spot detection, lane positioning assistance, the car's got speed limit recognition and also has the ability to contact emergency services in an accident. So if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.